of travel. KFC coming about 9 minutes, a little bit over that. And Drake is not happy with Rolling Stone for actually kind of intense movies. In the meantime, though, we'll get to Magic of Movies in just a moment, but I want to play a couple of jokes. Listener Pat Casey from Wilmot called just before 8 to tell us a couple of Doc Dog jokes. He teaches young ones, and he tells that them to them is laughing, so he wanted to share them, so I'll tell you. Okay. Doc Dog. All of them